So I'm going to show you guys how to put your 3 buttons, your home, your back, and your multiple app button back onto your Promethean. If you don't like gestures, this is what you'll do. So you'll tap the waffle down in the bottom, you'll scroll down to settings, right here. Then you're going to scroll down till you get to accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, you're going to scroll till you get to system controls, right here. Then we have it on navigation mode. That's gesture navigation, that's what we have it by default. If you would like those 3 buttons, you'll tap this and put 3 button navigation. Now we have our 3 buttons. You can tap this to go home, tap the back button, or tap this to look at different applications that you have open. A few changes to the new OPS are the little traveling home button. This used to have your whiteboard, your annotate, your timer. That's changed now. With the update, they set an app down here. It looks like a little flame. If you tap this, you see that we have the whiteboard, the annotate, the timer, the spinner, all of your normal Promethean apps. It will always be here.